Let's start the first concept in data science. To do the data science, we need to learn statistics. Statistics. Sorry if I am pronouncing wrongly. Statistics. So, what is meant by statistics? Statistics is summarizing data to make interpretations. Statistics is summarizing data to make interpretations, to take a decision so that we can implement the decisions in our future course. So basically statistics is summarizing data. Summarizing means collecting, organizing and processing. Statistics is summarizing data and make interpretations out of it, and then take a decision and then implement that decision for our future purpose, right? So statistics is completely dealing with the data. So what is meant by data? So data is a collection of individuals and variables basically. So if you in programming language, it's like kind of object and class. Class will be individual, object will be a variable kind of thing, just some kind. So individuals can be person, animal, cause, it can be anything. And variable is characteristics of that particular individual. All the characteristics of that particular individual becomes variables basically. So data contains individuals plus variables. So in data science we will apply statistics. In statistics directly use this data. In data statistics we call data as individuals, sum of individuals as well as variables. So in while we are saying variables, we have two different kinds of variables. It is like naming. One is categorical and second one is quantitative. Categorical is like kind of color, gender information, or we can't, those kind of thing words we can't assign a value, we can't apply all the things basically. We will apply dummy values to that data. We can't that is not numerical data kind of thing. So gender, if you take female or male, colors, red, blue, green colors, those kind of data we will call it as categorical data. Now come to quantitative data. Quantitative means we can quantify that data basically. In quantitative data we will have two different kinds of things. One is cumulative or incremental. Cumulative means we can measure the data along with the scale basically. That means our revenue of a business year to year, past year, and anything that can be measured along with the scale, we will call it as cumulative or incremental data. And we have another kind of thing, discrete. Discrete means it's like fixed thing. That means if for example you are running a business, you want to expand your business and you want to show some ads on TV channels. So on daily basis you want to show your ad 5 times or 10 times, but you can't show ads 5.005 times, right? those kind of data we will call it as discrete. And another example, you are traveling from one place to another place and you are by car. Car means one car. You can't go by half a car or 0.25 car, right? Those kind of data we will treat it as discrete data. So statistics, what is meant by statistics? I am repeating one more time. Statistics is summarizing data to make interpretations so that we can take a decision to implement that decision in our future course. And statistics data will contain individuals plus variables. While we are working in Excel or some pictorial representation, normally what we will do is we will make all the rows as individuals and columns will be the characteristics of that individual. That means those are variables. So this is what statistics and variables. And we have a different kind of data also, that is like nominal and ordinal data. For example, we are dealing with some color data, that means red, green, blue, yellow, those colors of kind of thing. So if I asked you to arrange that data in some order, ascending or descending, can you do that? We can't do it. Basically we can't assign, we don't know which color will be the first and which color will be the next. So for example, gender, female or male, so we can't order these kind of data. Those things we will call it as nominal. And whereas ordinal means we can arrange in some of the order, ascending or descending, but need to understand two words in statistics. Those are population and sample. Population contains all the elements of our interest. Sample contains subset of a population, our observed items, basically observed data basically. For example, we want to know the average income of Indian population. Then we need to consider all the 100 crore plus people as population. And if you consider state by state, we want to apply our statistics to state by state or district wise, we will choose some observations. We will pick up some observations from the population. That means subset of population will be as sample. So you should normally in our whenever we define or write something population, we will choose capital letters and as well as Greek letters. We will represent population all the time, and sample we will represent in small characters basically. So we should understand what kind of data we are dealing with, so that, and what kind of variables types of we are dealing with, so that we can apply the proper methods or process or charts, so that we can make some proper interpretations. Otherwise our interpretations will go wrong.